Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today, for Mother's Day, we're going to be making this Mother's Day card. So, I'm going to use a white piece of paper for this card. You can use any color of paper, but I'm using white because it's so much easier to decorate and really get that unique feel. So, we're going to start by folding our paper in half, just like this. Make sure you get a nice clean crease. Then you can fold the four corners inward towards the center, like this. Making sure that it's pointed at each side. And at that point, your paper should look like this. It's a flat piece of paper that's been folded in half with the corners folded in. We'll then take these other sides and fold these in towards the center, the top and the bottom, and then we're going to fold the corners, the sides that are sticking out inward towards the center as well. At this point, we're almost done. So now you can use this side here to decorate and leave your message for your mother, or the person that you're giving the Mother's Day card to. So I'm going to write a little message here to my mom. You are the best. Happy Mother's Day. Alright, then you can also decorate the edges here. Really in this space you can do anything you want. You don't have to write a message, you can add stickers, any sorts of designs that you want. I'm just going to give it a nice little border. The sides, let me use a different color for each side. Green. So really the sky is the limit with this. You can trace on it. You can use crayons, markers, pencils, pens, really anything. Just go wild. Let your imagination go wild. You can make this as unique as you want for your mother. I'm going to add purple to this side here. And then I'm going to finish it up on the bottom with some red. Alright. So once you complete, your decorations and your message, you're going to fold it. I fold it right here at the edge of the tips, as you can see. And then you're going to nest the other edges inside like this. And then the outside can be decorated. I'm going to draw an arrow here, so mom knows how to open it. Don't want her to be unable to get in. And then also, since this outside is blank, you can decorate it too. Again, pens, pencils, markers, crayons, colored pencils, anything, stickers, any sorts of designs that you want. Alright, to mom, and then there we're done. And once she gets it, she opens it just like this. Ta-da! Please visit us online at hcpl.net, as well as download the Overdrive or Libby app in order to check out our electronic materials, including ebooks and e-audiobooks. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media to keep updated on new content from the North Channel Branch Library and Harris County Public Library Systems. Thank you for watching.